Good morning, students. I explained already that is to be how to find the mean, how to find mode, and already done median in 9th standard also. That whenever you have to find the median in lower classes, what is to be there? Your individual statements are given, or we can say ungrouped data is given to you. So when ungrouped data is given to you, you just does the first step, you keep all the statement in order. Order means either in ascending order or in descending order. The central tendency or centermost statement is known as our median. If the statements are odd in number, what you does? Only single statement left in the center, so you say that is to be median. If the number of terms are in even, then in center which two terms are lie, that you does the average of these two center terms means, or we can say we do the addition of these two terms and divide by 2, you gives the median. So in odd it is to be given by t of n plus 1 by 2th term, that you have already done in 9th standard. And in the even, t of n by 2 plus next, it's the sum of these two divided by 2. But here again I will say the median is to be find when the statement is given in the form of group. A group data is to be given. So whenever group is given, groupings there, groups are there and their frequencies are there. So we have to find median. Median is given by L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Median is given by L plus N by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Formulas, all the formulas are very much important in this exercise. Mainly formula and calculations are there, nothing else. Very much easy unit. I hope the things clear. This is the last concept of this unit. Now L is known as lower limit of median class. Now how to choose the median class? Median class means according to central tendency. Center means as much frequencies are there, it's half, and by 2 is near about your center. So N is if total number of all observation. CF is the cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. Median class से पहले वाली, preceding means पहले वाली. So cumulative frequency of class preceding the median class. F is the frequency of median class. H is the class size. Class size, you know very well the difference of upper and lower limit. And we generally see whenever the statements are given to you, your class size are almost constant. There is a rarely differences to be there, but this type of questions are not in your standard. So only this formula when the class size is also same. Okay, constant, that we can say. Now another thing is to be there. If we want to say that relation between mean, mode and median, this is known as relation between mean, mode and median. That is 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Mode plus 2 mean. Clear? And this is also known as empirical formula for mean, mode, median. That is 3 median is equal to mode plus 2 mean. Already you know how to find the mode. You already know how to find the mean. Clear? So when you put the value for the same sum, mode and twice of mean, you do the addition of these two will gives you the 3 times median. So median is to be divided by these two divided by 3. Okay. The question can be of 1 mark is to be like this formula, based on this formula also. Suppose he can say the median of any sum is this given and the mean is given this any value. Then he is saying that find the mode. Directly you apply this formula and you are able to calculate mode. That 3 median minus 2 mean gives you the mode. Very easy. Or MCQ form also is to be there like that in question. Let's start 14.3. 14.3 question first. 14.3 question first. Let's see. This is to be given our statement. The following frequency consumption is to be given and the number of consumers is given. Consumption, consumers. And the consumption is 65 to 85. 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, 185 to 205. Means you can see all these are groups. Okay, so you have to find the median when the groups are given to you, and this is the frequency given, frequency first. And he has told you in this sum also you have to find median, mean as well as mode. You have to find all the three things. Okay, three things. First I will explain median, then again I will explain mode and mean also, though you have already done, but as the question is to be there, I will complete the whole sum so that you can also try the other sum also. Okay, now let's start how to do for median. For median, first of all, as that is table is given and the number of consumers given, that is 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 18, 14, 8 and 4. Clear? Now first of all we find the cumulative frequency. How to find the cumulative frequency? First number as it is. We can say we want to find the table of less than like. Means if I say 65 to 85 that consumers are 4, it means below 85 we can say consumers are again 4. If 85 to 105 the consumers are 5. If I want the consumers below 105, below 105 means those who are 85 to 105 they are also there, and those who are in 65 to 85 they are also considered. Below means both these are to be included. So cumulative frequencies is to be done. The same is to be like first one is to be as it is. The second one is to be get by adding the first term in this one. So you will do the addition of this here. So it will gives you 5 plus 4, 9. In the same way 9 plus 13 that will gives you 22. Next is 22 to 14 that is gives you 40. Next do the addition like this, you will get the 56. Do addition, you will get 64. Last is 68. Okay, you are 68. Just see your frequency sum, that is n or fi they are same, that is 68. This and last term must be the same. It means our sum is running correct. So n by 2 will become 68 by 2, that is 34. Median class is according to the n by 2 statement already told. N by 2 is 34. So first of all finding 34. Now here up to 4 terms are there, here up to 9 terms are, here up to 22 terms are there, here up to 42 terms are there. It means 34th term is lying in this interval. Clear? How to find it? See, 34th, where cumulative frequency 34 number like that gives you our median class. Now median class is 125 to 145. So your lower limit that is to be L is 125. Your CF is 22. Yes. Your H is 20. F is 20. F median class. Take a CF before this. And H is class size. Now median formula is L plus n by 2 minus CF divided by F into H. Let's put values. L 125 plus n by 2 34 minus CF, that is before this one, that is 22. F is frequency of the same class, so 20 into 20. Already you have written all the values. Put the values and do the calculation. You will get answer 127 units. Clear? Now let's do the same thing for the mode also. How to find mean? Mean you know very well. For finding the mean, first of all we find the exercise. So we have find the exercise. You can just take the collectively table also. No difference. Either you can take the different table also, or you can apply on the same table also. Now xi means the mid of all these. So mid of all these are able, you are easily find that 75, 95, 115. I think you done. I am taking step deviation method. Take any a, where you are going to taking a 0 above minus below plus, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, 2, 3. Multiply this ui. These are ui's. What are these? Ui's. So you multiply ui by frequencies. So do the calculation. You get fi ui, that is 7. So what is the formula for finding the mean by step deviation? That is a plus sigma Fy ui divided by sigma Fy into H. Now put the values, that is 7 upon 68 into 20, that will give you 135 plus 140 upon 68. So your overall answer will become 137.06 unit. I think clear to you mean also, because you have already done so many sums. Now the same sum we are going to apply for the mode. Again mode formula is given by L plus F1 minus F0 upon twice of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. I spoke so many times. I think if you will repeat as much time I have just spoke, you also learn the same. Now L is 125, F1 is 20, F0 is 13, F2 is 14, H is 20. So put all the values to get your desired result. So you will get 125 plus 7 upon 13 into 20, that is 125 plus 140 upon 13. Your answer will become 135.77 units. Clear? Now you have done how to find median, how to find mean, how to find mode. All the three things we have done in the whole sum. So this you have to do today. You have to do some first and second, try some third. Okay, goodbye students.